How's it going? So super quick one. You cannot destructure if property is not defined. So you see we have, it will give you an error. Important thing to understand, it will crash the HTML template in React if you do it this way. So let's say you have an API coming in, it's not yet defined, it's going to crash the template, right? So to overcome this, okay, you can do it this way. So remove this thing, and then so this is gonna be your API question mark, which can be defined or not, and then your key like this. Now, wait a sec. Let me just think about it. In TypeScript it's going to work, but in JavaScript it's not going to work. Probably the way to handle it in JavaScript, you have to put a fallback value, something like loading, for example. Well, API will be coming. Okay, so let API is like this. Yeah, so this is going to be basically your data, and in the API data is usually either it's there or it's just undefined, but the key always exists, right? So what happens in here is, if we remove the question mark, it will crash the template, right? So yeah, so this will be your kind of like data, like this probably. So this is the way you handle it. And that's about it. I'm just thinking. Yeah, like the reason why this use case is important is because, let's say, like this is where I came across it. Like this is where I kind of, let's say you have a query from Redux Toolkit, right? So you would destructure it like this probably. Equals my API dot, oh man, I forgot the Redux Toolkit. It's something, I think it's like use, one sec. Yeah, so we're gonna have something like this. Now then, inside of data, let's say you have two keys, so we will destructure, let's say, my key 1 equals data. Now, this will fail because data is undefined. It's still coming in, so it doesn't exist. So the way to overcome this then is to just say let my key 1 equals data, because it could be defined or not, and then my key 1. Does that make sense? Because this allows for data to be undefined without crashing the template. In other cases, it will crash the template. So that's the way to do it, okay? Take care, bye-bye.